Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to find out what to sell on eBay using Terapeak. Now here I have Terapeak, and since I'm in Canada, that when you have Terapeak, there's a bunch of options: eBay.com, eBay Canada, like whichever the country you're in. So look at those sites to decide what to sell. Now let's say I am interested in iPhone, so I just look at iPhone products like iPhone accessories or other products that's related to it. Let's look at something like iPhone screen protector. Okay, now let's see the prices here. 4 pieces of iPhone screen protector, 3.41. These kind of thing that can make like just $1 or something, but it sells a lot, I think. But let's see the sell through 19.15%. So it's not really good, but let's look at this page. Okay, this guy has sold like 5,132, and in one day, in February alone, he only sold like very few. So it's not like very profit for him. I don't know. Even if they buy a bulk, so when they buy in bulk, I'm sure like at least he's making $2 profit per sale. But if you want to really get good profit, you have to see the item that actually can go a little like $10 or something like that. So let's search something that is related to that. Let's say iPhone earphones. iPhone earphones. So these kind of thing, the like you can make a little bit profit, because I know from Alibaba you can buy these things, the same exact iPhone this earphone for like $2 per piece, like 1 point some dollar per piece, and with the import cost it's gonna cost you like 2.50 altogether per piece. And when you're selling here, let's say your postal cost, like postage cost is like 1.5, so 2.5 plus 1.5, you're gonna 4, so 4 is gone. 3.25 per piece, you can make at least $3.25 per piece. So that's actually not bad, and it's selling a lot than the one we've seen before. Some guy bought 10 of them. Wow, one of them bought 10 here. And let's look at the February alone. 4, 10, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So he sold 33 within a month. 33 times 3.25 is going to be like 90 some bucks just by selling this product alone, and he might have, I know for sure, he gonna have a bunch of items as well. Now let's see, look at all these items. He has like 3,000 items to sell, and he's selling all the phone related stuff. This is something you can be interested, and you can see the items, and get some ideas, okay, which one you can sell. And you have to see which one is on demand. That's the thing. That's why Terapeak is so good, because you can just click here, total sales. This is less sales and total sales, and you can determine which one is you can actually find out easily which one is selling high. That's why the Terapeak tool is good. And there's another thing you can do is you can reflip on eBay as well if you want to sell like iPhones and stuff. Let's look at some iPhone 8. Okay, iPhone 8, and I'm searching here in Canada. iPhone 8 unlocked, cell phone and smartphone. Okay, now I'm searching the iPhone 8 model, 64 GB, selling for like $250, $260 right now. It's going for $260 and it's free shipping. Not bad, but you can get it cheaper if you do a little bit research, because sometimes the spelling mistakes. Let me type just without a Norris list iPhone. There might be like you can try the spelling mistake thing. And it's actually a good product to sell, because you can see the sell through is 47.32%. It means pretty high. It's selling pretty high, because it means like half of the time you're gonna sell it if you list it. And you can reflip also. Now let's look at this one. This guy sold 8 of them. 8 of them, all of them for $199. Yeah, he sold all of them for $199. And this guy selling it for the same thing for $240. So that's actually $40 profit there, $20 shipping. So forget $20 shipping, then $20 profit right there. But you can see whether you can get even lower than that. Now let's see the one he didn't sell. This guy listed very high price. This is iPhone 5C. And this one, why didn't they sell? Space Gray, 16 bits. He sold it. Winning bid is 221. Okay, and the another thing is, once you find out the product you want to sell, you can also check the same product in Kijiji as well. And nowadays Facebook Marketplace also there, so you can see whether you can make the profit by searching there. iPhone 8 unlocked 64 GB. Okay, I don't know why it's not showing. Okay, here we go. iPhone 8 unlocks Space Gray, up and running, mint condition, front glass cracked. Oh shit, that's bad. iPhone 9. There's not even iPhone 9. I don't know what this. Like brand new, $300. Wow. It means we can literally buy from there and sell it here. Like, but I'm sure it's not gonna go here, because it's too much high. Too much high than we expect. So it seems like locally it's selling in a good price. This guy selling for $240. Another guy selling for $320. So price varies. iPhone 8 perfect condition, 32 GB. iPhone 8 doesn't have a 32 GB. I don't know what is he selling. So there are so much confusing things also out there. So you can see, you can source the product from here. You can locally buy them and flip it in the eBay, or you can even buy from eBay and flip it locally. You can flip in eBay. You can buy from eBay and flip there. So there are so many things you can do once you get the idea which one is selling. That's why Terapeak is good, because you can find out what is selling. Since this is 47.32%, you can definitely bet on the product selling low, and you can sell it faster. And that's all I want to talk in this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next video.